ईसाई बरतानवी शख्स ने कुरान की आयत की ऐसी तशरीह की, सब हैरान रह गए। एक ईसाई बरतानवी शहरी ने एक वैन पर लिखी गई कुरान की आयत को इतनी शानदार और बामायनी अंदाज में बयान किया कि सुनने वाले हैरान रह गए। उनकी ये वजाहत इस बात की याद दहानी है कि कुरान का पैगाम सिर्फ मुसलमानों के लिए नहीं बल्कि पूरी इंसानियत के लिए है।
Being English and not Muslim, I know that a lot of people do worry when they see this kind of large Islamic writing on a black background, and so I thought I'd make a quick video just to say to you, please don't worry. So let me just explain it to you. Okay, it's inna here. Inna, there actually should be a little mark there. Inna, which means indeed, we. Inna lillahi, lillahi, we belong to God. Inna lillahi wa, which means and. Inna, indeed we. Ilayhi, go towards, going towards him. Ilayhi, raj'un, we will return to God. So, indeed we come from God, and to him we will return. And that's all it's saying, and there's a bit of a translation here. Indeed we come from Allah, and to him we shall return. And that tells you that chapter 2, which is the longest chapter of the Quran, verse 156, which is what this verse is, this van. And so